Visit John's Automart in Bartonsville, PA to enjoy the 2019 Ford Explorer. This well-maintained one-owner vehicle boasts a clean Carfax and an excellent service history, ensuring reliability and peace of mind. The Ford Explorer holds a 5-star overall crash test safety rating, providing top-notch protection for you and your passengers. Enjoy ample cargo space that accommodates all your gear, groceries, and more, making the Explorer perfect for both daily errands and exciting adventures. Experience seamless connectivity with Bluetooth and steering wheel controls, allowing for hands-free operation of calls and music. The Explorer's tow features, blind spot mirrors, and backup camera enhance your awareness and safety on the road. Experience the comfort and convenience of automatic climate control and 3-row seating for the whole family. The fold-down seats create a completely open and spacious cabin, perfect for all your needs. Don't miss out on the 2019 Ford Explorer. Visit John's Automart today to schedule your test drive and experience its blend of safety, versatility, and modern amenities firsthand.